Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Cash App card. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by launching Open Your Cash App application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, go to the upper left-hand corner where you can see a little square box. Give it a tap and this will open up your camera. You might need to allow access for your camera, so if you do that, the next thing to do is to scan the activation code. Now place the little square to the QR code so that you can scan for your cash card, and soon after you do that, you'll be able to activate your Cash App cash card right away. Pretty simple, isn't it? All you need to do is to scan the activation code and you'll be good to go. That was how you can easily activate your Cash App cash card right from your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.